Arch Linux versus Lubuntu. Which lightweight Linux distro is better? Choosing the right lightweight Linux distro can completely change how you balance performance and usability without sacrificing system resources. Arch Linux offers customization while Lubuntu focuses on simplicity. Arch Linux and Lubuntu are two popular lightweight Linux distributions. Arch Linux provides a minimal base for users to build their system from scratch, while Lubuntu delivers a ready-to-use lightweight desktop environment. The core difference lies in customization versus out-of-the-box ease. Arch Linux is a minimalist rolling release Linux distribution designed for users who want full control over their system. It starts with a bare-bones installation and allows users to add only the software they need. Arch uses the Pacman Package Manager and the Arch User Repository, offering access to a vast range of software. Its strengths include extreme customization, up-to-date packages, and a strong community with comprehensive documentation known as the Arch Wiki. However, Arch requires a steep learning curve and manual configuration, making it less suitable for beginners or those seeking a ready-made system. Ideal users are experienced Linux enthusiasts or developers who want to tailor their environment precisely and prioritize cutting-edge software over convenience. Lubuntu is a lightweight Ubuntu-based Linux distribution that emphasizes simplicity and low resource usage. It uses the LXQT desktop environment, which is designed to be fast and energy efficient. Lubuntu comes pre-configured with essential applications, making it easy to install and use immediately. Its strengths include quick setup, stability inherited from Ubuntu's long-term support releases, and suitability for older or low-spec hardware. Limitations include fewer customization options compared to Arch Linux and a less cutting-edge software repository. Lubuntu is ideal for users who want a straightforward, efficient Linux experience without extensive setup or maintenance. It's perfect for newcomers to Linux or those repurposing older computers. Comparing Arch Linux and Lubuntu highlights a trade-off between control and convenience. Arch excels in customization and staying on the latest software but demands time and Linux knowledge to configure and maintain. It suits users who want a personalized system and don't mind manual setup. Lubuntu, by contrast, offers a lightweight, ready-to-use system with minimal fuss, ideal for users prioritizing ease and stability on older hardware. In real-world use, Arch can deliver optimized performance tailored to specific needs, while Lubuntu provides a consistent, reliable experience out of the box. Choosing between them depends on your comfort with Linux and how much time you want to invest in system management versus immediate usability. Choose Arch Linux if you want maximum customization, bleeding-edge software, and are comfortable with manual system configuration and maintenance. Lubuntu is the better choice for users seeking a lightweight, stable Linux distro that works immediately with minimal setup. It's perfect for beginners or those reviving older hardware without sacrificing usability or efficiency. Both distros excel depending on your priorities and expertise.